joining us all today, and thank all of you for joining us today, and thank you for your patience. It was a bit of a haul to get everyone in and from gate to location, so I appreciate it. I just wanted to give you kind of a quick update on the show before I hand the microphone over. In just a few minutes, we will begin with some remarks from our park president. During the press conference, you're going to hear some exciting things coming in 2019. Immediately following the press conference, you're invited to join us in the new annual pass member lounge. So you'll go right this way and around the corner. We have some light snacks and beverages in there, and we'll be providing interview opportunities on the new pass program and a few other things. And then after the conclusion of the press conference, we will be sending to you the press release along with lots of visual assets from some of the items that you're going to see today. So thank you very much.
I'm happy to say it's just the beginning. First, we're excited about our record-breaking thrill ride, Infinity Falls, officially opening today. Yes, it's taken a while, but the guests have ridden it for the soft opening and loved it. I've ridden on rides in our company and around the world, and this is the best, and you can only get it here at SeaWorld. After we conclude today, we'll have a chance to experience Infinity Falls yourself. And so enjoy it when you get the opportunity, but you will get wet. But as you can see, it's not just about the ride, it's about the realm. And the realm is the gift shop across the street, interactive games that are on the pathway, as well as this nice facility that has the restaurant, Waterways Grill. Earlier this year, SeaWorld and Coca-Cola announced a joint donation and partnership with the Everglades Foundation to support freshwater replenishment and with Audubon, Florida. We want to welcome and recognize a couple of wonderful partners in the Audubon Society and the Everglades Foundation. Eric Eichenberg, Chief Executive Officer of Everglades Foundation. Jennifer Diaz, Director of Education at Everglades Foundation. Monica Sanchez, Director of Corporate Foundation Giving, Everglades Foundation. And Dykes Everett, Board of Directors, Audubon, Florida. There's back. And Shawnee Breeding, Audubon Eagle Watch Program Manager. Thanks a lot for your assistance here today. Guests to Infinity Falls will have the opportunity to support the Everglades Literacy Program when they purchase items at the gift shop across the street. But today is the culmination of a great year. It's the beginning of an incredible action-packed year. In fact, it's say that the next 12 months will be the most exciting for SeaWorld and Aquatica. And I'm pleased to announce today that we will bring our guests more entertainment, more events, more rides, more thrills, and more value than ever before. And launching a new pass program is the best way to take advantage of our parks. Our event lineup we're taking it up a notch. So we're going to have something every week, all the way through 2019. And your favorites are returning with more food, more entertainment, and yes, more beer. Everybody likes beer. And it's already begun with our very popular, spectacular event that's going on right now to the end of the month. And then in November, we have the first ever SeaWorld Craft Beer Festival with more of the 100 brews, food, fun, and entertainment. And of course, we end the year with the brightest holiday event, SeaWorld's Christmas celebration. This year we will add additional 3 million lights, and you won't want to miss it. We will release the details of our calendar coming soon, and it's the biggest lineup ever. Speaking of big news, we can't wait to welcome Big Bird, Elmo, Cookie Monster, and their friends on Open Sesame Street in the spring of next year. Guests will be able to walk down Sesame Street for the first time, live right down through the street, connecting with families, fun, laughter, and learning about the famous street. We broke ground about 6 months ago, and they're starting to come to life very quickly. I have a little news today for you. In addition to the daily parades, play areas, and opportunities to mingle on Sesame Street, we are also adding colorful themed rides. Abby's Flower Tower, Super Grover's Boxcar Derby, and Elmo's Choo Choo Train are just a few. We have more news, Aquatica 2. As I said earlier, Aquatica already has the distinction of being the USA's #1 water park, and Ray Rush is the world's best new water ride. Now we're kicking it up a notch. In 2019, Aquatica will become the most thrilling water park in Florida with the opening of a new thrill ride slide, Carry Carry Pearl. That's right, Aquatica will have more water park thrills than anywhere in the state. We will do more, we have more on this project as it progresses. So what could we do to top this incredible attraction at both parks, plus nonstop events and celebrations? That's right, our best year ever, our best pass ever. And today we are launching a new annual pass program that gives our guests new options for lower price, more benefits. To explain more, I'm going to invite our senior leader, Dan DiPiazza.
We really do believe that the SeaWorld annual pass is the best pass value in Orlando. We're actually taking it up a notch from there. And we're offering more choices and more value options than ever. Now, we didn't just kind of hatch this one day in a conference room. We've actually done a lot of research. We talked to a lot of our guests and listened to what they told us. And guess what they said? Not everybody wants the same thing. Imagine that. Some people want more benefits, some people would like a lower price, and so we've designed a program that hopefully reaches all of those different interests and needs. And it really comes down to three things, which is picking your perks, letting guests pick the perks that really matter to them most, picking the parks that appeal to their interests, and then the price that fits their budget. And so, in reality, what we have is not just one pass, we have 44 different passes, 44 different combinations of passes. And while that sounds complicated, it's actually very simple because, again, we'll step you through picking your perks, picking your parks, picking your price. So just briefly, let me share with you the lineup. The first is we're really pleased to introduce our Bronze Pass. The Bronze Pass offers admission for about 320 days a year. It offers discounted parking, discounts on all of your shopping and dining in the park, as well as discounts on guest tickets. The Bronze Pass is really a great opportunity for somebody who maybe thought they didn't want an annual pass, they weren't sure. This is a great way to kind of dip your toe in the water, come experience all the great things that we have, and see if annual pass membership is right for you. So we're very excited about that. Another benefit that comes with Bronze Pass and all of our passes is the ability to visit our Pass Member Lounge, which is right behind us, which we're happy to reopen later today. We also have the Silver Pass, and the Silver Pass is what you might think of as kind of our typical pass. It has unlimited admission throughout the year. It has free general parking, discounts on in-park purchases, and also the Silver Pass has one free guest ticket a year so you can bring somebody with you. The Silver Pass is, again, a great value. It gives you a lot of flexibility to visit all of the events and all the attractions during the year. And now we're really also pleased to introduce a new Gold Pass. The Gold Pass speaks to all those folks who said we want some more benefits, we want a deeper experience. So the Gold Pass has unlimited admission with no blockout dates, but it also has free preferred parking. It has 2 guest tickets per year and a higher level of discount for all of your shopping and dining in the park. We've also added 2 cool new benefits to this. One is a free animal encounter every year. So at SeaWorld, that would be something like our dolphin encounter. And we've also added an annual photo key subscription so you can capture and share all of your memories throughout the year. So the Gold Pass is really a great full-featured pass for the folks who want to step up to that. And then finally, we offer a Platinum Pass. This has all the benefits of Gold, plus a couple of extra perks, and most important, it has admission to all of the 11 Busch Gardens and SeaWorld parks across the country. So if you think that you're going to be visiting San Antonio or San Diego or Williamsburg, Virginia, it's a fantastic option for you for that. So all of these passes together really create a great lineup where folks can pick which benefit level appeals to them most. Now let's talk about the parks. So each of these passes is available in a one-park version. So you can get a SeaWorld Bronze, a SeaWorld Silver, SeaWorld Gold Pass, the Bronze, Silver, and Gold passes. Or you can get them in combination with SeaWorld and Aquatica. Or most exciting, you can get a combination with our sister parks in Tampa, Busch Gardens and Adventure Island. And they've got a lot of cool new things this year. They just announced a couple of weeks ago, Tigris, a new roller coaster coming in over there. Adventure Island just opened Vantage Point. So they've got a lot of activity there as well with attractions and events. So putting all 4 of those parks together in a pass at any of these levels is something new and something we're really excited about. And then finally, the thing that I think I'm most pleased with is the price. We really worked hard to make sure that we could get the pricing as low as we could, give as many people an opportunity to try a pass and to see all the things that we have to offer. So we are able to start now at $9.99 a month for a SeaWorld pass. Now that's the price that probably has not been seen in this market in a long, long time. And it is a limited time. It's an introductory rate across all of our passes. So those are available starting today for a limited time, but we're really happy that we can start that low. The other great price point I think is really phenomenal is you can actually get the 4-park pass with SeaWorld Aquatica, Busch Gardens, and Adventure Island for $14.99 a month. Which if you can think about, go to one movie and get popcorn, and you probably spent more than that. And you can go to all 4 parks all year long. So we're really excited about all of those options that are available. The other thing about pricing to keep in mind is each of these is tiered up. So for a couple dollars a month more, you can add park, you can add benefits, and it's all spelled out on the website to really walk you through the process. We also don't have down payments on our passes, which is something that a lot of other parks do. So when we say $9.99 a month, that's not after a $100 down payment or something. It is $9.99 a month is where you start. And in fact, you could get a pass for a whole year at one of our parks for less than the down payment at some parks. So it's something we don't do, just the monthly payments. So we're really excited. Again, we think that this is a great value with all the things that we have to offer and with all the options that you can pick. The final thing I wanted to share, though, is for our current members. So anyone who currently has a pass to our parks, the good news is you don't have to do anything. You're not forced to change. You're not forced to come and convert to anything else. You can keep the pass you have. You can keep the price you have. If you like what you're paying, you can stay with that. If you want to upgrade to a gold pass or something else, then we can certainly do that for you. But anyone who has a current pass that hasn't expired can certainly stick with that. So we're not trying to cause any disruption there, but we hope that a lot more people will take a look and will consider membership with us. And we really do value our Florida residents and really do want them to experience everything at our parks. So I thank you all, and I'll turn it back over to Mark.
Just wanted to conclude by saying how proud I am to lead these parks in the Orlando area. It's incredible to work with these ambassadors every day who delight our guests, care for our animals, and serve our community. As a team, we are truly dedicated to making the best year ever at SeaWorld Aquatica. And thank you, and enjoy your day.
Hey everybody, just wanted to say thanks for watching. We know you have lots of choices for theme park videos, so we appreciate you making the time for us. If you enjoyed the video, please click the thumbs up button, and if you'd like to see more rides, shows, and attractions, don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks.